Today, we'll be making this pot of Nyonya fish head curry. I'll get fresh fish, vegetables, and spices from the supermarket and my tropical edible garden. Then I'll show you how to make this delicious Malaysian curry step by step. Hello, my name is Sara. I have a food blog and a cooking school called New Malaysian Kitchen. Stay till the end to see how I showed the food ranger how to make this unique Malaysian curry using this huge garoupa fish head. Let's start. First, I'm getting some ingredients from the supermarket. At the seafood corner, I found this huge fish head. The garoupa head is bigger than my hands and weighs almost 3 kilos. But it's a bit too big for this recipe, so I'm getting a smaller one. This is about 1 kilo and it's already cut into pieces, so this will be much easier for me to prepare. I need to get some vegetables and spices like this pink torch ginger flower and some lemongrass. The fatter it is, the better. I found 2 types of fish curry powder. I'm getting the less spicy packet. Now it's time to go home. In my edible garden, I'm getting some curry leaves. Although I only need a few stalks, I snipped the whole stem so that my curry plant will grow even bigger. My long beans is getting really long, so I need to harvest it before it gets too old. I managed to get 3 stalks of organic long beans. Finally, I'm getting some laksa leaves, also known as Vietnamese coriander. Now that I've got all the ingredients, it's time to get into the kitchen to cook. Clean the fish head thoroughly under running water. Get rid of the blood and innards, otherwise the curry won't taste good. Add in some water in a bowl of tamarind paste. Massage the pulp until it becomes mushy and sieve it through the fingers. Thinly slice torch ginger flower. Wash and chop all the vegetables except for lady's fingers and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Next, I'll turn these fresh herbs and spices into this spicy paste. Cut the dried chilies into smaller pieces, pour in some hot water and soak until the chili softens. Deseed and chop fresh chilies into small pieces. Chop the first few inches of lemongrass into rings. Remove the outer layer if it's too dry. Cut away the galangal skin. Be careful, it's very hard. And slice it into small pieces. Smash the garlic with a knife to remove the skin easily. Cut the top and the bottom part of the shallots and then slice it into half. This way, it's much easier to peel off the skin. This is my favorite kitchen hack. After wetting the ginger, you can scrape the skin off by just using a spoon. Now, put all of these fresh spices along with shrimp paste and curry powder into a blender. Add a bit of oil and blend until you get a fine paste. Heat up the pot, add in some oil, pour in the spice paste and stir continuously on low fire until oil floats on top. It takes about 10 minutes to reach this stage. At this point, add a few stalks of curry leaves and saute for a minute. If the spice sticks on the pan, scrape the pan or add in more oil. Then pour in water, tamarind juice, and laksa leaves. Give it a stir and bring it to a boil. Then reduce the heat before putting the harder vegetables like brinjal and long beans. Stir it, close the lid, and let it slowly simmer for about 5 minutes. Open the lid, add coconut milk, give it a stir, add lady's fingers, tomatoes, and gently put in the fish head pieces. Put the lid back on and let it simmer until fish is tender. It should take about 5 minutes. Take off the lid and you'll see our pot of Nyonya fish head curry is almost ready. Season the curry with salt and sugar. Make sure to sprinkle them everywhere. Now the fish is very tender and would break easily, so don't stir it too much. Taste your curry and if you like more umami flavor, put in some fish sauce. Bring it back to a boil and we are ready to serve this hot pot of Nyonya fish head curry with sprinkling of torched ginger flour. Now we're ready to eat!
And look at all these nice fresh fish we got here. Beautiful. Look at that meat.
Which one is bigger? Mine or yours?
I don't know. Wow. Oh, what's going on? There's our fish head. Look at this. He's just split it in half for us. And it's going to be really good.
Let's see. Nope. I've got a kitchen prepared for the cooking class. You can see the spices, the vegetables, and that fish. Because Trevor and Ting fell in love with this fish, we're going to double the recipe. Hey! Hey Trevor, hey Ting Ting, how are you?
We are so excited for this fish head curry.
Are you ready to cook?
Yeah, let's do it.
The first thing we're going to do is to blend all the spices, the laksa leaves and the curry leaves, not in the blender, okay? The galangal.
Wow. So this is the soul of the fish head curry.
Okay, I've got this. The first thing we're going to do is this spice paste. We're going to put it in. There's a stage called pecah minyak in Malay. So that's when the oil separates and then it floats on top. So that's the stage that we want to reach, pecah minyak.
Pecah minyak. We're gonna get the pecah minyak.
Do you see like dots of it bubbling everywhere?
I'm excited now. We can make curry.
Yeah, look at that curry.
How does it smell over there?
It smells incredible. It smells so delicious.
Next time you slide it in. Pour in the tamarind juice and the laksa leaves. Put in these hard vegetable. Gently put them in. Simmer for 5 minutes. Look at this. Ooh, steaming. Now we're gonna put in coconut milk.
Stir it up. Oh yeah, now you can see the creaminess coming through.
Lady's fingers. All the tomatoes.
Wow, look at that.
We're gonna put this in.
And it's huge. Put it in. Wow, it's in.
I think this fish head curry is almost done. Look at this. We're gonna season this pot of Nyonya fish head curry with sugar and salt. Our pot of Nyonya fish head curry is done.
Let's take a look at ours. Oh, look at that. Fish head curry. It's bubbling and creamy with coconut milk. Wow, and the fish meat looks tender.
All these lady's fingers, brinjals, tomatoes, all these spices, creamy coconut milk, all in this one pot.
Wow, that is a pure monster.
Okay, look at this. The curry is dripping.
Drizzle that essence of life over the rice. Doesn't that look good?
Oh, look at that.
Oh! Wow. So good. That is incredible.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Look at this.
It's so tender. The curry is so creamy and so saucy.
Sarah, do you want to eat the eyeball together?
Yeah.
Let's try it out.
1, 2, 3.
It's fatty. There's a like a grain in the middle. I like it. It's fatty.
Enjoy.
That was an amazing recipe.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Best fish head curry ever.
Yeah.
You're the best. See you.
See you. Thank you so much for watching my very first cooking video. Please click the red button below to subscribe and also the bell icon at the side. Have you tried eating fish head curry? Yes? No? Let me know at the comment box below and I'll see you at my next video. We made a big pot so there's a lot of leftover. Look at the sauce, so thick. So tomorrow I'm gonna put noodles inside. Fish sauce is also salty. If you want it to be even more flavorful, so add that. Slice it into half first. You only need top, the butt. Slice into half and then thinly slice. Or just take a few pieces outside. Sara, see? Oh, mommy. Ting Ting can speak Cantonese. Oh. 广东人吗？广东话。Oh, 广东. This is virtual cooking class.
Nice.
咩？
好食，
又唔係
搞到軟開食，真係好食，好香啊！